Further, the United States is Pakistan's largest export market and your largest source of foreign direct investment. Over the last 7 years, American companies have invested more than $1.3 billion in Pakistan. For many companies, the hesitation to enter the Pakistani market comes down to the basics. Persistent security concerns are felt by millions in this country every day, and the risk of business is still perceived as too great. The entire world was horrified by the terrible events of December 16th. But we are encouraged by the security operations now underway and support efforts from all parts of Pakistani society to eliminate the space for violent extremism.
The reason we are here and assembled together, this was President Obama and Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif resolved in October 2013 that the two countries will work closer in order to expand its trade and investment relationship. I believe these efforts can make these timelines much shorter than predicted. Let me also acknowledge here the strong economic partnership we have with our great friend, United States of America. This conference is part of that partnership. In the months and years ahead, I am confident that this partnership will only grow stronger and stronger. We will welcome US investors and are prepared to facilitate their investments in Pakistan.